With over 100 billion Earth-sized planets out there in the Milky Way, you'd think that we'd have found some kind of life already, right? Well, maybe we have, but the chances of us finding it are slim to none, because out of all those planets, only a tiny fraction are actually in the habitable zone of their star, meaning that they could potentially have life on them. And even if we did find a planet with life on it, would we really want to go there? Because according to astronomers, there's something far scarier than an alien planet out in the depths of space, and it's a lot closer to home than you might think. In fact, it's right in the middle of our galaxy. At the center of the Milky Way, there's a supermassive black hole that weighs about 4 million times more than our Sun. And if that's not scary enough, there are probably supermassive black holes at the center of most galaxies. And that means that most galaxies, including our own, are in a constant state of collapse. Now, don't worry, we won't be sucked into the black hole anytime soon. Even though the Sun orbits around the center of the Milky Way once every 230 million years, we're still 26,000 light-years away from that supermassive black hole. But that doesn't mean we're safe. You see, as our solar system orbits the galaxy, we are constantly being bombarded by things that have been sucked into the black hole and then flung out again. And these aren't your average space rocks, they're huge. Stars several times bigger than our Sun get ripped apart at the black hole's event horizon and then scattered throughout the galaxy like pieces of cosmic debris. And that's not even the worst part. Every time one of these massive stars gets ripped apart, it leaves behind a neutron star or a black hole of its own. And these rogue black holes and neutron stars are on a collision course with Earth. Luckily, most of them will just pass by, but some will get a bit too close for comfort. In a few billion years, one of these wayward black holes will pass within 1,000 light-years of Earth, and that means we won't be able to hide from it. So yeah, I'd say that's pretty scary. But it's also kind of awesome. Thanks for watching.